Good morning, students. Welcome to Dasan Public School Dag online classes. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की हमारी इस वीडियो में हम पेरियोडिजेशंस ऑफ हिस्ट्री का जो कालक्रम है, काल निर्धारण है, आज उसके बारे में रीड करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट ध्यान से देखें पेज नंबर 4. Periodization is the process of study of the categorizing the past into discrete quantified named block of time. This is usually done in order to facilitate the study and the analysis of history. Understanding current and historical process and causality that might have linked to those events to the extent that history is the continuous and all system of periodizations are more or less arbitrary. There are significant sources to the study the period of events, and by studying different historical एविडेंस ए स्ट्रिंग ऑफ टाइम पीरियड्स कैन बी फॉर्म्ड, जिसको हम समझ सकते हैं. सो ध्यान से देखें. अब इसमें आते हैं जेम्स मिल का क्या योगदान है उसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. जेम्स मिल वाज ए स्कॉटिश फिलोसोफर, हिस्टोरियंस एंड द इकोनॉमिस्ट. ही बिगन हिज हिस्ट्री ऑफ द ब्रिटिश. उन्होंने ब्रिटिश और हिस्ट्री से संबंधित क्या शोध किए. और ब्रिटिश इंडिया in 1806 expanded it take him about 3 years, but is the complexion provided to the take instead 12 years with 3 substantial volumes, at the last being published early in the 1817. In 1819 he was appointed in the official in India House. Despite his the critic criticism the history of the British rule in India, James Mill divided Indian history into Hinduism and Muslims and Buddhism period. This periodization is based on the religious line that there was phase for which the Hindus were the ruler and other were ruled. Then come the phase of the Muslim and British. He had a colonial mind and the thought Asian and have poorly civilized. He felt European speed the superior. उन्होंने अंग्रेज़ों को यूरोपियंस को सुपोरियर्स माना था. ध्यान से देखें अब आगे. It has been agreed by the many historians that is not correct to the periodize the Indian history on the basis of the religion of the rulers. The problem with the periodization of Indian history by James Mill was that they divided the Indian society in 3 stages. However, these suggested that no other major changes took place in the history of India other than the religious one. During the Muslims and British, there were thousands of the Hindu and Muslim princely state. In a through these periodizations, he tried to divide the people with their own specified identity, which was not correct. कि जिस समय अंग्रेज़ों का राज था उस समय कई तरह से लोगों को प्रताड़ित किया. समाज जो है जेम्स मिल के अनुसार उसने सामाजिक संरचना को भी विभाजित किया है. दस द इंडियन स्कॉलर्स, लेकिन हमारे भारतीय जो स्कॉलर्स थे क्लासिफाइड इंडियन हिस्ट्री इनटू एशियन, मेडिवल एंड द मॉडर्न. उन्होंने 3 भागों में प्राचीन, मध्य और आधुनिक में उसको क्लासिफिकेशन वाज इट इज़ ओन प्रॉब्लम्स. दिस पीरियडिजेशन इज़ द borrowed from it west when modern period is associated with the growth and the development of science, rationalism, humanism, logic, freedom and equality. The term medieval was used to describe the मध्य भारत का जो टर्म था इसको सोसाइटी विच वाज डेमोक्रेटिक एंड लिबरल, 2 प्रकार से लोकतांत्रिक और उदारवादी के माध्यम से इसको विभाजित किया है. However, in the Indian context, the British period in history cannot be the term is the modern because Indian were They need liberty, equality, and justice. There was no economic progress, and the Indian industry declined rapidly. और धीरे धीरे इंडियन जो इंडस्ट्री थी वो समाप्त होती जा रही थी. Thus it is the appropriative the term this period is the colonial. जिस टाइम को colonial टाइम के नाम से जाना जाता है. सो स्टूडेंट ध्यान से देख लें अगले पेज को. कोलोनाइजेशंस, किस तरह से कोलोनाइजेशन बढ़ा. Colonization is the process by which a central system of power dominates the surrounding land and is the components colonization. British come to India as a trader. Soon they were fascinated with the wealth of India. They changed their motive from trade and colonization. Their plans involved using India as a feeder colony for their own flourishing economy back of Britain. They kept their focus on expanding and the protecting their hold on India. British rule brought about change in the value and the trades, custom and practice. उन्होंने पूरी तरह से भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था को प्रभावित कर दिया था. हाउ डू वी नो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, हम उनके एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में क्या जानते हैं. ब्रिटिश रूल चेंज्ड ए लॉट इन इंडिया. इन द लेटर हाफ of the 19th century, both the direct administration of India by the British Crown and the technological used in by the industrial revolutions. क्रांतिकारी उस समय जो क्रांतियाँ हुई थी उन had the effect of the closely, उन कई प्रकार से परिवर्तन हुआ. Interpreting the economy of India and the great. All the change were secured in the form of record. These records were the written by British officials to keep the track of their work and the change done in India. The British felt all important documents and letters needed to the preserved. Specialized institutions like archives and the museum were established to the preserve important records. Several other resources studied together to give a better picture of administration. इसके बाद में सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. उस समय हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन के क्या क्या सोर्स थे. ब्रिटिश केप्ट द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द एवरीथिंग